was gifted these little teaspoon things. So I wanted to show you guys. My grandmother actually gave me these like years ago, and I'm finally able to use them. One of them has a bird on it. Well, you can't really see. One of them has a bird on it, and then this one has flowers, and then this one has butterflies. This one is my favorite. Just so cute. And then this one has hearts. But we are going to use these tonight to make the banana bread. It is a cozy, rainy day here. I was hoping that it'd be sunnier out, but it is still very relaxing and peaceful. Ducks are doing well. We've had them for a week now, and so they're doing very good. They're definitely getting more of their routine down. They know when I'm coming in the morning, and so they come right out and they start foraging and getting their water in and everything. It's been very fun. Last night I made some banana bread, and then this morning we ate breakfast, and it was just very cozy. That is my word to describe last night and this morning. Just very cozy and relaxing and peaceful. We have a tin roof on our apartment, so I like to open up the windows and hear the rain on the roof. It's just so relaxing, and the birds have still been chirping, and so spring is upon us. It's getting really close. I've been seeing Easter lilies everywhere, and it's just very inspiring, and I'm very excited for this next season. Today I want to just do some tidying up around the house. Yesterday I got the itch of just like cleaning, and soon we're going to deep clean, and so I think I'm just going to tidy up, clean, and we'll see what the rest of the day brings. how good this looks. Hubs is a great cook. That looks so fancy. So, so good. Yum. Very, very excited to eat it. We are going to let out the ducks this morning. The clocks went back, or we lost an hour last night. And so the sun is out, the birds are chirping. Kyle still has to get the gate going. So now we have like a temporary gate. They're gonna start quacking when I open this door. Good morning, babies. Go refill their water because it's so nasty. Hello friends, it is Sunday and I just got back from church. We had a good Saturday yesterday. I went shopping with the girls and then came home and had a great date night in. Kyle cooked steak and it was so good. I was like, you can cook anytime you want because it tasted so fancy and it was just amazing what like a few ingredients will do to your food. And so we had a date night in last night and then today is kind of just a chill, free, no obligation Sunday, which I absolutely love. My mom, for my birthday present, got me a matching side tables from Amazon. And I'm also gonna link those side tables because they were $66 for 2 of them. And so if you have a kid's room that you're wanting to decorate, highly recommend, or you just want them for yourself, highly recommend snagging these because they had 2 different colors to choose from. And that's just a very, very, very reasonable price for 2 nightstands. So yeah, but we're gonna go get the box out of the car and we're gonna try to put these together by myself. May not happen though. Kyle is at lunch and so I may have to wait till he gets home to put them together, but I'm gonna try to do it myself.